On a warm summer's eve, on a train down to nowhere, made a break canvas, we were both too tired to sleep. We did dance to sing, but we know out the darkness, the bottom overtook us. He began to speak, said, "Son, made my life. I'm reading people's faces, knowing what they're going through, by the way they rise. But if you don't mind saying, I can see by the faces, the taste of your wisdom. Give you some advice. So why don't you have my power? This has been not my last one. You don't see right, and ask me for a line. Couldn't I got there for quite a Swiss no song expression. Said if you wanna play the game, you gotta learn to play it right. Here we go. So you gotta know when to hold it, know when to fall, know when to walk away, know when to run. She never count to a moment. There's something at the table, every time enough for counting, when the tears fall. Here we go, losing, secret to survive, knowing what to throw away, and the way what to keep. So every hand's a winner, and every hand's a loser. The best you can afford is dying sleep. We need face speaks, we come out the words we know. Crossed out a cigarette, faded on the steep. Somewhere in the darkness, the gambler he broke even. In his final words he said, "Days that I keep." She got to know when to hold it, know when to fall, know when to walk away, know when to run. She never counts your money. Sitting at the table, they were time enough for counting. When the deal's done, she got to know when to hold her, when to hold her, know when to fall, when to fold her, know when to walk, when to walk away, know when to run. Count your, you never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, time enough, every time enough for counting. When the deal's done, she got to know when to hold her, know when to fall, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. You're sitting at the table, there were time enough for counting. When the tears done.